your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. That's your name? Don't worry about it. What are you gonna do? Don't worry about it. Shoot what? Part 1 of part 2? Part 2 of part 3?
Part 2.
See if I can zoom it in. That looks nasty. How many layers you got? You got like tons of layers. Couple of layers. Yeah, more on the back side. You gonna shoot at him again then?
Yeah. Fuck it.
Fuck it again?
Fuck it again.
Fuck it again. Fuck it where?
Look at that one.
You gonna fuck it there?
No, look at that one.
Where you gonna fuck it?
No. Look at that one.
Fuck who?
That one.
You gonna fuck that fool?
Yeah.
Why are you gonna fuck him?
Cause he's sexy. Look at him. Alright. Back to the
what? To the mission? Wait. Are you shooting it?
Yeah.
Hold on. What are you shooting with?
I'm shooting with the 12 gauge.
A 12 gauge?
Yeah.
That mini 12 gauge?
Yeah. Should I do it one-handed?
What happened?
Should I do it one-handed?
However you want to. I don't really care.
Alright.
How you gonna shoot it? Hold on. Don't work yourself. Just hold on.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah, I'm good. Failure! You're a fucking failure. You need to make this a part 3 now.
Ah!
Fail.
You want to start over?
No, I'm good. Come on, Mr. Failure. Mr. Don't worry about it. You still got one left over. Oh no, it's done. You done? I think you're done. It's done.